Good morning. Welcome to MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 22-foot Crest Classic Fish version. This boat is set up with 2 fish seats in the rear, a live well located right here, a simple vinyl deck to keep things clean, powered by a 115 horsepower Mercury. The boat also has 4 rod holders in place, tackle box storage in place, dual batteries. It has the it's pre-wired for a trolling motor that you can mount up forward. If you notice, the forward door is a half door, so you can put a trolling motor underneath that door. The plug for the trolling motor is to the right, just in front of that right-hand speaker. It's also equipped with a Lowrance fish finder and GPS. Of course, all Crests come with the captain's cup holder, which keeps your beverages cold for you when you're on your way. A nice Fusion stereo, Bluetooth, trim gauges, fuel gauges, RPM gauges, volt gauges. You have interior lights, live well switch, cup holder switch right there. Nice large bimini top. Notice the powder coated railings. The large seat storage area. One thing about Crest is they make all their own furniture. One of the few boat manufacturers that does this. Notice the aluminum frames, everything's elevated off the deck. The seats come with the same warranty, a 5-year warranty as everything else on the boat. From the deck down, it's a lifetime warranty on the boat. Crest uses segmented hulls, so in case you by accidentally puncture one, you're not going to sink a boat. The side door, which a lot of pontoon boats now do not have. This is a pontoon boat, it's not a tritoon. Front-facing lounge. Obviously the front forward door. Notice the piano hinge. Good solid door. You can put 400 pounds on this door and not break the door. Crest is known for its quality, its durability, the sound warranty. It should provide years of fun, family time, good fishing. Please come see us at MarineMax in Bald Ridge. Take a ride on this great boat.